Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming corruption with basic checks on your game files. Open the game folder and compare file sizes and timestamps to a working install. Look for 0 bytes, sudden size drops, or missing DLLs that indicate corruption. Back up the entire game folder to an external drive with at least 2 GB free. Record the game version number and recent update dates for later reference. Close the game and any launchers before you continue to prevent file locks. Next, run the Launcher Verify or Repair tool to restore corrupted files automatically. On Steam, open Properties, Local Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Epic Games, click the 3 dots and choose Verify. On GOG or standalone installers, use the Repair or Verify option available. If automated tools fail, compare individual file hashes to a clean install or a friend's copy to identify mismatches. Note which files fail so you can target manual fixes later. If verification does not fix the problem, clear launcher caches and temporary files first. Delete temporary folders in app data and the launcher cache, then restart the PC. Replace specific corrupted files from a known good source if you have them. If problems persist, perform a clean reinstall of the game, noting the download size, often 2 GB or larger. After reinstall, apply the latest patch and run file verification one more time to confirm all files are healthy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.